If your Battlefield 6 is frozen on loading, you're not alone. If you're missing the action, you're probably stuck on Siege of Cairo. If you want back in, let's fix it. First things first, restart the game. Sounds basic, but it actually works for a lot of folks. If you keep getting stuck on the same map, try switching to a different mode or map for now, especially if it's Conquest on Siege of Cairo. Check Battlefield's official socials for server updates. Sometimes it's not you, it's them. Next, try disabling crossplay in your settings. Surprisingly, it's helped some players get in faster. On console, clear your system cache. PS5 users, boot into safe mode and clear the software cache. Xbox folks, clear persistent storage in Blu-ray settings. Still stuck? On PC, verify your game files, run the launcher as admin, and make sure Secure Boot is turned on in your BIOS. Updating your graphics drivers never hurts either. As a last resort, reinstall the game or try using a VPN to change regions. Quick recap. Restart, switch maps, check servers, clear cache, update, and if all else fails, reinstall. Now get back out there, your squad needs you.